Hello, 안녕하세요. My name is Natsuki Fukui from Yokogawa's headquarters located in Tokyo. I'm responsible for the global business development for the bioprocess. So for the bioprocess, Yokogawa's goal is to contribute drugs shorter time to market by using our technology like measurement, imaging, integration, simulation, and automation technology. So our goal is drugs shorter time to market so that the patients can take a right treatment as soon as possible. So here in Korea, we understand that the biopharma industry is getting larger day by day. So at the BMK, we are really looking forward to meeting you and hearing from you about industry challenges. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.
Hi, I'm Mehran. I'm from Yokogawa Insilico Biotechnology. At Yokogawa Insilico Biotechnology, we develop and provide digital twins for our customers in manufacturing and process development. The benefit of having digital twins is that you gain deeper understanding of your processes. So which means really you can reduce the timelines during process development, which again leads to reduced time to markets. And a second benefit really of these digital twins that we develop is the fact that one can use data across different projects, which again reduces the timelines and the burden later in the process. In a nutshell, you will get more out of your data. And what we always say is we enable our customers to use their data as strategic assets. In other words, you get more out of their data with less effort. So I'll be presenting today here at BMK more about our technology, but in a nutshell, really the USP of our technology is the fact that we can mathematically describe a cell not as a black box, but we can really describe the metabolic pathways, including also signal transduction and gene regulation in a way, and thereby providing to our customers a totally different insight into their processes. I'm looking forward to see you.